Philips NeoPix 160 Smart Projector. Main features are: Philips NeoPix 160 Smart Projector is a portable home projector designed for watching movies, streaming, and casual gaming on a big screen at home. It's considered a budget Full HD projector with simple setup and built-in features. Resolution: Full HD 1920 by 1080, 1080p. Brightness: about 250 ANSI lumens. Contrast ratio: 1000 to 1. Light source: LED, up to 30,000 hours lifespan. Aspect ratio: 16 to 9, home cinema format. Throw ratio: about 1.15 to 1, large image in smaller rooms. Built-in speaker: 5-watt speaker. Ports: HDMI, USB, audio out. Watching movies or YouTube in a dark room. Portable home cinema or bedroom projector. Connecting laptop, PlayStation, TV box, or streaming stick via HDMI. Quick setup with autofocus and keystone correction. Intelligent auto correction. Unlike many budget projectors that require manual fiddling, the Nebula 160 features autofocus and auto keystone, meaning the image squares itself and clears up instantly when you move the device.
Ergonomic stand. It comes with an integrated, adjustable stand that allows you to tilt the projector upward without needing to prop it up with books. Philips NeoPix 160 Smart Model NPX160INT is a compact, entry-level Full HD projector designed for casual streaming and home entertainment. It stands out in the NeoPix lineup by including a dedicated Google TV dongle in the box, providing a much smoother app experience, Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, compared to the basic Smart OS found on older budget models.